morning, Year 5. This is a home learning lesson in maths. Please check your work from the previous day. Hello, find square numbers and square roots, find patterns, and make and test rules. Key vocabulary: square numbers, square root, area, units, squared, consecutive, digital root. Starter activity. You have to find all the factor pairs of 20, then 24, then choose a number of your choice. The factor pairs of 20 are 2 and 10, 1 and 20, 4 and 5. The factor pairs of 24 are 2 and 12, 1 and 24, 3 and 8. We're going to find area of the squares. This square is 3 squares long. So what we're going to do to find the area of the square, we're going to multiply one side 3 squares by the other side 3 squares. So 3 squares times 3 squares equals 9 square centimeters. So the area of this shape is 9 square centimeters. This square is 4 squares long, so 4 times 4 equals 16. So area of this square is 16 square centimeters. This square is 5 squares long, so 5 times 5 equals 25. So the area of this square is 25 square centimeters. To find an area of any square, you need to multiply one side by another side. Remember, all sides are equal. Copy and complete the table. Here's an example. If the side of the square is 4, we have to multiply one side by another side. We know that all sides of the square are equal. So 4 times 4 equals 16. If the side of the square is 1, area will be 1 times 1 equals 1. If the side of the square is 2, the area will be 2 times 2 equals 4. If the side of the square is 3, the area will be 3 times 3 equals 9. If the side of the square is 4, 4 times 4 equals 16. If the side of the square is 5, the area will be 5 times 5 equals 25. If the side of the square is 6, the area will be 6 times 6 equals 36. If the side of the square is 7, the area will be 7 times 7 equals 49. If the side of the square is 8, the area will be 8 times 8 equals 64. If the side of the square is 9, area will be 9 times 9 equals 81. If the side of the square is 10, the area is 10 times 10 equals 100. If the side of the square is 11, area is 11 times 11 equals 21. And if the side of the square is 12, area will be 12 times 12 equals 144. Highlight square numbers on multiplication grid tool and discuss the pattern. Here are the square numbers: 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, and 144. Can you see a pattern? Independent work. If you still don't feel confident in finding square numbers, please start from this worksheet by ringing the square numbers. Then write the number that is squared and the square number for each of these diagrams. For example, number squared will be 1 because it's just 1 cube, and square number will be 1 times 1 equals 1. If you are confident in finding square numbers, please complete this worksheet.